Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Forms and Bitrix24. This integration allows you to automatically capture form submissions as leads in Bitrix24, streamlining your workflow and ensuring no potential customer slips through the cracks. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to bitrix24.com. Once you're on the homepage, log into your Bitrix24 account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with an account that has administrative privileges, as you'll need those permissions to install apps and configure integrations. After logging in, look at the top of the page where you'll find the market icon. Click on it to access the Bitrix24 marketplace, which contains various apps and integrations that can enhance your Bitrix24 experience. This is where you'll find the Google Forms integration we need. In the marketplace search bar, type Google Forms and hit enter. The search results will display the Google Forms integration app. Click on it to open the app details page. Once you're there, you'll see an install button. Click install to begin the installation process. A window will appear showing 3 checkboxes for permissions that the app requires. Select all 3 boxes to grant the necessary permissions, then click install again to confirm. These permissions allow the app to create leads and access the data it needs to function properly. After the installation completes, you'll see an Open App button. Click it to launch the Google Forms integration app within your Bitrix24 workspace. At this point, you'll be presented with 2 options. You can start a free 30-day trial if you want to test the integration first, or if you already have a license key, paste it into the field provided and click Activate. This step ensures you have the proper licensing to use the integration features. Since we can't access Google Forms directly in this demonstration, let me walk you through the remaining steps. On the app page, click Install once more, then enter your Bitrix24 admin email address when prompted. This email will be used for notifications and activation confirmations. Click to activate the integration. Next, you'll need to choose a responsible user for leads. This is the person in your organization who will be assigned to follow up on leads that come through Google Forms. Select the appropriate user from the drop-down menu and click Save. This ensures that incoming leads are immediately assigned to someone on your team. Now click on Integration in the Apps menu. This will take you to the Settings page where you'll find a JavaScript code snippet. This code is crucial because it connects your Google Form to Bitrix24. Copy this entire code snippet carefully, as you'll need to paste it into Google Forms. Open a new browser tab and go to forms.google.com. Click on blank to create a new Google Form. This will be the form that sends data to your Bitrix24 account whenever someone submits it. Once your form is created, locate the 3-dot menu in the upper right corner and click it. From the drop-down, select Script Editor. This opens Google's Apps Script Editor, where you'll paste the integration code. Paste the code you copied from Bitrix24 into the script editor. Give your project a meaningful name such as Bitrix24 Integration so you can easily identify it later. Click Save to store your script. The page might take a moment to save, so be patient while it processes. Finally, you need to set up a trigger so the script runs automatically when someone submits your form. In the script editor, look for the clock icon which represents triggers and click it. Then click Add Trigger to create a new trigger. From the drop-down menus, select On Form Submit as the event type, choose Head as the execution mode, and select your function. Click Save to activate the trigger. This ensures that every time someone fills out your Google Form, the data is automatically sent to Bitrix24 as a new lead. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Google Forms with Bitrix24, creating a seamless connection between form submissions and your CRM. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.